So you're trying to identify how long your Black Friday or your holiday sale promotion should be. Well, today we're going to dive into identifying what time frame is the best duration for your sale so that you can set your online course, your coaching program, your memberships, or your digital products up for success for your upcoming sale. Okay, let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany, Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise and so much more. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out my resource library where you can learn more about how to create, market, and launch your digital products in no time. And also, if you are looking for some resources to help you with your Black Friday or your holiday promotions, I want you to check out the link below to our store where you can find some great products that can help you and assist along the way. Okay, so let's talk all about the duration of your promotion for your Black Friday or your holiday sale. A lot of people never know, how long should I host this? Should it be all month? Should it be 1 week? Should it be 1 day? What should I do? And so the first thing is to identify what works best for you and your audience. I know I have done so many different types of Black Friday sales. I have done one thing called 21 Days of Giving, where I did 21 days of different types of items that were on sale on different days. I've also done where I had just 1 week where it is Black Friday week, and I have done the whole week where you get a special product at a special price at a limited time offer. And I've done other things like a 1-day promotion. And so it's up to you on what's going to work best. I know that one thing I've learned over the years when I do my digital product sales is that there is so much happening during the holidays that if you offer a one-time offer, which is totally fine if you do, sometimes people don't check their emails during the holidays. So I know for the United States, for myself, after Thanksgiving, I am so swamped. I'm full. I am like spending time with family and friends and doing other things that sometimes me checking my inbox is just not my priority. And so I want you to think about what would work best for your audience, and you know them best. Now, with that being said, now that I know more about myself and my audience, I know to give my audience at least a week's worth of time to be able to take action, especially during this busy time of year. So you're going to be able to make that best decision. And it could be, again, it could be a month, it could be a week, it could be 2 weeks, it could be 1 day. You get to decide what that's going to be. Now, once you have come up with what that duration is going to be, it's important that you start to create things to help create urgency. Some of the ways that you could do that are through countdown timers, or to place the date throughout your sales page or your product page. You can also start to mention that within your emails and teaser emails, letting people know that this is going to be a limited time offer so that they know that they have a limited time to take action. You don't want to be receiving emails during the holidays trying to ask questions about, did this expire? Did this end? Oh no, I didn't know it was going to end on this day. No one told me. I didn't see anything about it. So instead, you want to create clear communication so that your audience truly knows ahead of time that this is going to end on a specific date and they have a limited time offer to take action. Now, the third thing that you'll want to think about when you're doing the duration of your overall Black Friday and sales promotion is to think about if you're doing early access or VIP access. So one thing I like to do for people who like to buy digital products or might be on a wait list, I like to give them VIP access to some of my digital products before I offer it to the general public. Meaning, before I offer it to people on my social media platform or tell people about it through collaborations or joint ventures, I will offer my email list a VIP opportunity to check out this product ahead of time and go ahead and see if it's a good fit, so they have more time to make a decision before we close the doors to that limited time offer. So there you have it, Corporate Misfits. It's important for you to identify what's best for you and your audience. Also, I want you to think through, what are you giving away? If you're giving away something that is of super high value and you need people to have time to think through it, cool, give them more time. If you're giving away something that is not, it's more of a low tier product, but ultimately it's something you can make a quick decision on, you might not want as long of time. So I want you to just think through what works best for you, and it's all going to be based off of your promotion product and what you're going to be doing for your promotion, and then ultimately what would work best for you and your business, and so much more. Just don't forget to create that urgency and all that good stuff to help your customers to take action during this Black Friday sale. Okay, Corporate Misfits, Misfits, have fun creating your Black Friday and your holiday promotions. If you have any questions, leave them below. And also, don't forget to check out that resource library and also some of the products that I have for you that can help you to create your Black Friday promotions in no time. Okay, see you soon. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.